girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Is the heart of a woman, yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman, yeah. Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but damn, I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. And I try to be strong. I put your words on your life this time. And I hope your words ain't lying, 'cause is the heart of a woman, yeah. Oh yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman, yeah. It's my mind and my soul, rest of your pride. Nigga, check your ego, I left mine at the door just because I let it slide. Drowning all of my emotions, I let you slide in this ocean. I'm in and I try to be strong. I put your words on your life this time. And I hope your words ain't lying, 'cause no one can take it no more. I'm bound to walk out the door. Is the heart of a woman.
So damn important. Everything you do shows me you know it. Behind it all, you are the motive. Don't tell you enough, but baby, I'll show it, show it. These ain't the king where we come from. Say I'm queen, so no one. So baby, I'ma drive it like it's stolen. I'ma fix it like it's broken. We can catch a flight in London. So they can try to catch up to us, but they're too busy making us offense, boy, you know.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for WIGCOOL hair, and this is actually my very first time working with this company, but you guys know I love bringing you guys new companies to check out, and this is definitely one that you should have on your radar. So today I am reviewing one of their pre-styled units. This is what they call the Boba Curl unit. This is a 24-inch unit. I know it does look a little bit shorter than what it actually is, and that's just because, you know, it's curled, but you guys know once you have it in its straight state, it will definitely be, you know, perfect for you. But I did add a little bit of extra curls like in the front, just because I felt like it was kind of flat just having it straight and only having the curls at the bottom. So I just used this wand curler as you guys saw, and I added a little bit of layers here in the front as well, and then did a lift here, and that's what has like this beautiful wave, which I think is just really classy, a perfect everyday type of curl. It's really beautiful, and the thing that I like about this is that it's a very quick and easy unit that you can style, or you can wear it exactly how it is right out of the box. The only thing I would suggest if you are going to wear it like straight out of the box is just to use a ha-ha comb just to like flatten out the top. But I really like how this turned out. I think it's so beautiful, and I have to say that this is definitely one of those units you're gonna want to get your hands on, because for one, as you guys saw, this is a glueless install. I didn't have to use any product to adhere this unit. I'll go ahead and do the comb test for you guys now. So this is a rat tail comb, and you can go right up underneath that lace. And mind you guys, this is actually HD lace, like the real kind of HD lace. As you guys saw, I didn't put any makeup on my lace. I just have it just as is. There's no line of demarcation, which I can appreciate because I do wear bronzer around my forehead, and typically when I put like foundation on my lace, my foundation is lighter than my bronzer, so it just makes it look like a line. So I didn't do that today. I just left it as is, and you guys see it blended absolutely perfectly. I did, however, put some concealer in my part. This is a 5x5 HD lace unit. They also have a 2x6 available, and they also have a 13x4 HD lace available as well. So this is just like the perfect beginner-friendly unit. I love how quick and easy this was to install without any product. If you want to use product, you can, but you really don't need to, because this unit just fits so snug, and the melt on the lace is just insane. This unit does have multiple straps in it. It has the adjustable elastic band, but this one is actually sewn in, which I can appreciate, because a lot of times with most companies, that strap usually like ends up slipping out, and it can be like really annoying and sometimes uncomfortable. But this one is really comfortable. It's staying in place, and it's just perfect. I also like the fact that it has the adjustable straps at the base of the unit as well, so you have that extra security, and it's just beautiful, voluminous curls, you guys. Like, I cannot get over how pretty and bouncy these are. I'm glad that I added my own little extra something to it, because it really makes all the difference, and it just looks so much better like this. And it's a versatile unit. Although it is a 5x5 closure, you could get away with doing like different styles with it. When it comes to 5x5 closure though, especially based on the amount of space that we have here, so the tracks start and end like right here. So you do get some kind of, you know, things that you can do with it, but I wouldn't say you can do an updo with it. You can't do an updo with something like this, but you could do like a side part. But other than that, because of the fact that this is a closure, you really can't do a lot of different styles with it, but you can do a couple of different styles like once you get bored with it. I would even add like bangs to this unit later. When it comes to like any type of bang unit, I prefer to use closures just because they're a lot fuller than if you were to use like a lace front. Another great thing about this unit is that the knots come bleached for you. I would say though, I would want to pluck this more. That's just my preference, but based on the hairstyle that we have right now, it's fine. But I would definitely go in and pluck this a lot more just to give it more of a natural look. So that's a great thing. You can always customize the unit to fit your liking. They just give you like the base, and then you could just like work with that base, you know what I mean? So this is a beautiful unit. I love the density on this one too. It's a nice density. It's nothing too crazy. I would say it's like the perfect natural looking density. And I also like the length on this as well. Although though this is a 24-inch, it does look shorter, but I'm going to show you guys like how far down it actually goes. And it's full. You see how full that is? It's not like thin, like not even at the ends, even though the ends are curled like that. Like the ends are still full and it's not like thin looking. You see that? Nice full ends, healthy hair, and you see how that curl just bounces right back. So I love this unit. WIGCOOL definitely did their big one with this. This is definitely going to be one of those ones. But yeah, you guys, so those are my thoughts on today's unit. I really do like this unit. I think a lot of you guys are going to like this one as well. Definitely check out WIGCOOL. They have a huge variety of units. They're one of those hidden gems. Like, I even like the packaging, all the free goodies that we got, and the actual box. Like, I had to take plastic off of it, so this is something that is like well stored. The box didn't come to me damaged, and the shipping was really fast as well. So we love a company that has like really fast shipping. This is a medium cap size, which is a 22.5. They do offer a 30-day money back guarantee, so if you don't like your unit, you can send it back within 30 days and you can get your money back. So I love that about them as well. And they also provided you guys with a discount code, so make sure you do check out that description box for an extra little something, okay? And like I said, they're a really good quality company. Love the customer service with them. They're a really cool company to even work with. So if you guys are interested in checking this unit out for yourself, I will have a link available for you guys down below. If you guys have any questions that I didn't answer, drop a comment and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to WIGCOOL for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. And of course, I have to thank all of you guys for watching. Thank you guys so much, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.